This lecture we will see how to define a variable. We can define a variable for a specific value and also for a range of values. For a range of value we will define for a parametric analysis. And how we can use that parameter and variable in our design, and how the HFSS gives us the value as a parametric analysis. And we will see how this parametric analysis is useful when we want to see on a range of values the result of a specific application for return loss, for VSWR and insertion losses. You can check the design properties from two different ways. First is from here. From model, you can see that the colors, their dimensions and types of material used, and types of object, does it is 2D, 3D. Similarly, boundaries and excitation and analysis setup, solution type, name and complete detail, frequency and passes, number of passes. Also, you can check the property of each one. And also you can change any property you want to change. Now the further design properties for a variable. The design property. From here you can see that no variable is defined. We will add, there you will put a name of variable and here the value of variable. And also you must define the unit. You must define the unit of variable. For example, A and 70 millimeter. Here you can see that when you enter here millimeter, automatically unit will be selected. Similarly, we can do for other. We will see in next lecture. And press on OK. You can see here in a properties window of this model, the variable has been defined, unit, value and everything has been. You can also add an array of values here. Press on OK. Now you can change here from value to a variable. Press enter. You can see that value is automatically assigned. Press enter. Similarly, if the variable you have not defined in the start of project, you can define here also. For example, I am going to define a variable b. Just click enter. It will ask for a value so that this variable become a local variable and define in antenna in their design property. From here you have to select the type. It is an length, name and unit and value and press on OK. You can see here the variable b's value has been assigned, but a single variable we cannot define a multiple values. Similarly, we can define the variables as a local variable and also as a local variable and also as a global variable. Here you can see that we have defined the values for this. Now, how we will do a parametric? Just go on here tab we have different options. We will see for other in this time parametric analysis. Just add the variables you have defined. We have defined 3 variables. First variable, first you will define the type of sweep you want. Linear step, a single value, a linear count, in linear step. We will define here the starting value. For example, first I will check the value of parameter as 70. And press on OK. You can see from here in a table that this range of values have been assigned to a variable a as a parametric analysis. Similarly, you can add it, you can edit it if you want to edit, you want to change, and you can also add for other variable. The value of When you have defined the variables with parametric sweep, you can check the actual value of these parameters that you have assigned, that you have already assigned to a design. For overwriting value, you have to check this. In this way, you can define a variables, and similarly you can define a parametric sweep. Next lecture we will see how a complete design will be implemented. We can implement using variables, different variables and equation, and finally we will see how the parametric analysis, parametric range of value helpful for designing and studying the property of design.